You're on live. You're on live. Smile. You're on live.
Wow.
At last, I got to UP3D stand.
It's a good time for you.
Yeah. On the right time. All these people are in blame for these scanners and milling machines. Yeah. Yeah. I'll get back to you guys just 1 minute. I'll so small walk around and it's okay. Look guys, so many. Oh look, they got even a intraoral scanner. It's up 600. Mailing machine. All sorts of equipment. Yes.
Tell our friends
Well,
about
follow you. No.
You're from Riga.
Lithuania.
Lithuania.
It's next to Riga. Yes. Look at texture scanning. The next video will be with explaining about how the products. The guys will tell you more about it because we got a bunch of them. Look, a new scanner. I haven't seen this one. Nowhere. So I see we will have a lot of talking here. So the next video will be with more details, straight from the lips of the engineers and the masters of dental solutions from UP3D and their partners.